Hey fans, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Today we are going to make a jalapeno cream cheese salsa inspired by Fredster on Instagram. So this is a creamy hot salsa and it is muy delicioso. So let's get into it quickly because I'm starving.
So today I'm taking over the Easy Salsa recipes and I am going to make this Fredster inspired jalapeno cream cheese salsa. As you can see, we have our ingredients ready to go. My cilantro stems are chopped and all I have to do is put it all in the blender. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the can of the sliced pickled jalapenos. You're gonna put everything inside, including the carrots. These are already sliced, so you don't have to chop off any heads. Let's go ahead and get started.
Pour the whole can into the blender.
And the flavor. The carrots, the onions, the jalapenos. Get everything in there.
Next, add the cilantro.
Nice bushel of that. Our cream cheese, 1 whole block, which is about 8 ounces. Get that in there.
I would suggest cutting the block of cheese into quarters so it's easier to blend.
Perfect. Let's get our avocado in there. Now you can choose to use more than 1 avocado. I'm just going with 1. 1 whole one. It's my first half. Here's my second half. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream. You can add as much as you want. This is already been opened and used. Could use it all. Let's do it. So this was about maybe 6 ounces of sour cream since we already had been using it for other goodies. Get these last pieces of cilantro in there.
Absolutely.
And now some spices. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder. You can add fresh garlic if you like. I love garlic, but remember, those pickled jalapenos are already pretty seasoned well. But we're gonna add a little bit of cumin because I love cumin and garlic. My family does too. And let's go ahead and put the lid on and blend this all together. Okay, so our mixture is pretty well blended. You wanna make sure all the cream cheese, come take a look at this. Make sure everything is blended very well, nice and smooth. And then we're gonna go ahead and move this to our mason jar, but I'm gonna let Brandon grab some chips and taste it.
Woohoo! Chip tasting time, baby. I can't wait. I'm so pumped. This smells so good, guys. It is amazing. I hope that you make this soon because this is great for anything. But let me do my first chip. Get it nice.
How's that consistency?
Oh yeah, it's good.
Nice and creamy?
Absolutely. Very, very creamy. Oh man.
Is it spicy?
It's spicy, but you know, if I'm going in for another chip, it's a good salsa. This is amazing. Good, great job, babe. I might have to get my water soon because this is cooking. And this is great for like enchiladas, burritos, any type of sauce you want to throw on your Mexican dishes like that. Great job, babe. Great job.
So now I'm gonna do my taste test. If you can see it's thick and it sticks to the chip, that's a good consistency. Now this is going to be on the spicier side because we're using that whole 32-ounce can of pickled jalapenos. This is delicious. Very tangy, very spicy.
Absolutely, this is so good.
Very creamy.
Let me know if you need some water.
Let me clear my throat.
Right?
But it's good. Very good.
Yeah, so one more take at this, folks. It is amazingly so good, so good. Please try this recipe as soon as you can. We will have this full recipe in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's
Thank you so much for joining me, Sarah, on the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. If you like these episodes, stay tuned for next Thursday. We post content on a regular basis. Thank you for watching me make the easy jalapeno cream cheese salsa. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.
Hey, so don't forget this recipe was inspired by Fredster on Instagram, so go check him out soon. And if you like this content, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We'll see you soon.